What's up everybody, Tarik Belasri here. It's a beautiful sky, bright sunshine, and a pretty damn beautiful lady right here. What's your name?
Anet.
Where are you from?
Holland.
What are you doing here?
Visiting?
Visiting the city, not me. So enough introduction, let's bring the action. You're gonna miss the tram. Oh, look what happened. I hope it's not moving. In America, I have somebody to bring this in, so I gotta do my shoelaces.
Ready for the disaster?
Yep.
Okay, I start. 1, 2, 3.
There you go.
That was my first pouring.
Let's cheer up. Cheers.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel for the next adventure and share it with others who you think should watch it too. My name is Tarik. See you on the next one.